Good afternoon, everybody. Haven't had a good rain since May. Thought I'd share a little bit of what we're getting today. Say hi, David. You're on YouTube. I'm showing everybody the rain. The field over there, it's slacking off. Sure feels good. It was coming down so hard. I don't know. Won't be doing nothing in the garden. I already did some work in the garden this morning. I did some green beans. Another row. Woo! The wind's blowing the rain in my face. Guess I'll step inside. There we go. You can still see the rain. I hope when they spray their stuff on their fields it don't go and destroy my garden. Well, it's slacked off a lot, David. It's not going to be done. We're in a severe thunderstorm watching till, I don't know if it's 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. I think 9 p.m. You ever look at the clouds when you're a kid and try to make out pictures out of the clouds or whatever, you know, see what it looks like for you, and have your brother or your sister or your mom or your dad or grandma, grandpa, whoever look at the clouds with you and you guys see different things. The clouds are so beautiful. You never know what Kansas Misfit's going to post for her video. We were just getting ready to head into town and it started raining really hard, and I said, I don't know. That looks like that cloud. I like staring at clouds, try to make them out, make out something out of them. You can see things in them sometimes. You ever been in an airplane and drove through the clouds? It would be scary. Because you don't know what's on the other side. Once the plane's on the other side heading your direction. You know what I mean? Fields across the street looking nice. Check them out. Let me zoom in on that. The beans. last year when they plowed up the beans in the field right here. It was so dusty and stuff and windy, and blew it over into our field over here. All across this area by the fence. Had like at least a foot, if not more, tall thickness of beans. We just burned them down. Had to get them out. Some crazy person might flip a cigarette out and start our yard on fire. Anyway, this video is going to be a short one. I was just wanting to share the rain. All the excitement's already dissipating, whatever you want to say it. So, looks like a smiley face a little bit right there. See it? Find my finger. Okay, right about here is the smile. Anyway, I'll let you guys go for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. It's a mess of a day here. I'm not doing much. But I thought, I'm going to do a video of the rain. So I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.